What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon gift card and send it. So first off, head over to Amazon, and if you are new to Amazon, just simply sign in, or if you already have an account, just log in your account. I am not signing in either of I'm not logging in too because I am showing only for the demo. So first off, head over to the Amazon website by typing amazon.in or just simply type Amazon. You will see the first official website of Amazon. Now, after coming here on your left side, you can see the options for all. Click on this option and then scroll down a bit. You will see the option of gift cards and mobile recharges. After clicking on gift cards, you just have the option to select multiple types of gift cards like corporate gift cards, best wishes and thank you, wedding and anniversary, birthday gift cards, gift boxes, gift tags, and if you want all types of gift cards, just click on this all gift cards. So you will see different types of gift cards. So as you can see, I'll choose the language. After language, you will see the recipient, like for whom you are purchasing the gift card. These are the ones. And what is the occasion? You can even select according to the occasion and the delivery type, and what are the categories that you want to buy the gift card in, and who should be the seller. And so this is how you can filter your gift cards and select the best of the best gift cards for your loved ones. Just simply click on one gift card and select your amount, or you can enter your own amount and you can deliver it via link or your email. After adding it to the cart, just simply buy now, or you can add a gift card. So this is how you can buy Amazon gift card and send it to your loved ones. That was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.